Let me show you how you can achieve an install like this in only 15 minutes. This one I think is very perfect for busy moms. In the morning, get ready before your school run, before you run your errands. This is perfect for that. Step number 1 is to ensure that you only concentrate on the lace area just around the parting space. So this is the only part of the wig that we're gonna glue down. You're not gonna glue down this lace over here. You're only gonna glue down this lace over here. And then also, if you want to, just like I did, you can tweeze out some hairs over here in the front just to make it thinner so that it looks more natural, but that is optional. It's based on preference, and obviously if you do have maybe an extra 2 to 3 minutes to spare. Step number 2 is to perfect the parting area. So using powder, using makeup, using concealer, you just gotta define this parting area. Whatever parting area you have, just use powder or concealer, so any makeup product in this parting space to define it. If you find that this parting area is a bit too thin, to make it look more natural, you can also tweeze it to widen it. That makes for a very natural looking wig install. Then step number 3, style the hair as you want. With curls, I will usually just fluff it out, use a wide tooth comb and fluff it out, use some mousse if I feel like it, use some wax stick on the top area to remove any bumps. And also, if you have straight hair, you can flat iron it or you can curl it. However you want to curl your hair, do that. But obviously this is a 15-minute install, so you don't want to do anything that will take your time. A tip I will say is pre-style your hair the day before. The morning before you go to work, you're only concentrating on step number 1 and step number 2. So laying the lace area and then perfecting the parts. The secret to a 15-minute install is to focus on the lace area around the parting space, to perfect the parting area itself, and then to style the hair as you feel. If this is still too much work for you and you want a wig that requires no work at all, then I think a get up and go wig is perfect for you, which is why you need to watch this next video over here. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next one. Bye.